So I have activated my tag. I had a really small typo inside, but I corrected it already, so in the documentation it's all right. So I go back to my page and let's see what happens. I have activated the preview mode in my GTM. So here I can see exactly what is happening. So I fill it out. I go lech at userengage.com. I go Germany. Hello. Mail. From newsletter, yes. And I go command and click so that I keep having this page opened. And let's see the data layer. What happens in the data layer? As you can see, the data layer has received the name, email, message, country, newsletter, gender, and the event data. So everything seems to work fine in the data layer. Now, I need to take the data from the data layer and put them as a variable. So I go to variables, I create a new variable, I'll call it name, and use the data layer variable. The data layer variable is name because our code here, this value, name. It's name, and this is it. I just save it. I'll refresh the GTM, and I refresh the page. Now I'll only focus on this variable now because that's what we have just created. I do the same thing, and let's see. The rest of the elements had the either no value or the default value, but as you can see, the name is here. But when I go to variables, as you can see, this is the variable I have just created, just the last second. It's a data layer variable, and it contains the variable length. Right, that's perfect. So now I'll just finish the video right now, but I'll do the same thing for the rest of the variables, of course. All right.